guys, it's Miss Unique Beauty in the building, and I'm back with another video. If you are new to my channel, tap that subscribe button so that you won't miss out on any of my new uploads. And if you have already subscribed, what's good, what's poppin', welcome back to my channel. The items that you're going to need is a crochet wig cap, the headbands of your choice. I ordered this 12-pack on Amazon. I'll leave the link to this in the description box below. Your crochet needle, of course, and the passion twist hair that you decide to use. I'm using the Janet Collection Nola Tress 24-inch passion twist, and I have it in the color OET1B27. And this is what the hair is looking like. I did go ahead and pick up 8 packs of this hair, and I only ended up using about 6.5 packs as well. Now we're just going to add our wig cap to the mannequin head, and then we're going to add our headband onto that mannequin head as well. And you want to make sure that you flip your headband inside out so the seams is on the outside, so that in the end, when we go to flip that headband back over the edges of this wig cap, you will not see any seams on the outside. Now I'm just using a T-pin to hold that headband in place so that it doesn't move while I'm sewing this headband to this wig cap. Now what I like to do is I like to sew one side at a time, just to make sure that the headband is evenly sewn on both sides of this wig cap. So as you guys can see, I'm going to sew down onto the right side of this mannequin head first. And now I'm going to begin sewing down the left side of this wig cap, and you don't want your stitches to be too close to each other because you still want your headband wigs to have some stretch. So I don't sew my stitches too close to each other just to prevent that from happening. Now that we have completely sewn this headband on, I'm just showing you guys what it looks like once that headband is flipped completely over the edges of this wig cap. Looks nice and seamless. Now we're going to begin crocheting this passion twist onto the wig cap. Now I'm just going to begin creating one row of passion twists right at the bottom of this wig cap. And then after I do that, the second row that I create is going to be staggered in between where I placed the previous row. You guys will see exactly what I'm talking about in a few seconds. Right here, I'm showing you guys that I'm placing this passion twist in between the 2 passion twists that I had placed below this row. And when you do this, it gives your cap the illusion of there not being any space once you've completed adding all your passion twists into this wig cap. Doing this will also prevent you from adding too much of these passion twists onto this wig cap, which will make this wig cap heavy, and you don't want that. Like I said before, it also gives you the illusion of not seeing any of these spaces in your wig cap once this is on your head. It is very important that you guys stagger these twists, because if you don't, then you will see the gaps in your wig cap once it's placed onto your head. Now I'm going to continue showing you guys exactly how I stagger these twists onto this wig cap. It is very important that you guys watch this step so that when you guys are making your wig caps, it comes out exactly like this. You will not see any space once you put this on your head. I guarantee that. Now this is what this back section is looking like once I've completely installed all the twists in this back section. As you guys can see, when I pull it up, all the twists are staggered. You want them to be staggered so that it gives you that full illusion. Now I'm going to go ahead and start crocheting in the twist on the side of this wig cap. Now, if you do have hair left over once you're done completing this entire wig cap, if you feel like you need to add more in between, you can go ahead and do that, but you want to make sure that you're not adding too much hair because you don't want this wig to be too heavy on your head. So when you go ahead and you fill in, make sure you're filling in the areas that you really need a twist to be, and not just overstuff and pack this hair with twists, because this cap will be heavy on your head. This is what the wig is looking like once I've completed filling in the sides and the very back. Now I'm going to go in and start filling in the top section of this wig cap. This is what this wig is looking like once I went ahead and filled in all the hair on this top section of the hair, and look at how full it looks. And this is all from staggering the hair. This is why it's very important that you guys stagger your twists and not put them too close to each other. It's all from staggering. Now as you guys can see, I am going to go in and probably add maybe about another 2 or 3 strands in this area just to fill it in a little bit. And then once I'm done doing that, I'm going to go off camera and finish this top portion of my hair, and I'll be right back. This is what this headband wig is looking like once I went in and completely filled in this top section of the hair. Now for the front part, I did put the twist a little bit closer together while still continuing to stagger them in the front, because when you wear this hair down, you do not want to see any of those gaps. So I did go ahead and fill in this front section just a little bit more. Now right here, I'm just showing you guys what this wig cap will look like once you flip this headband over the front section of the wig. And this is what the headband wig is looking like once you flip the headband up over around the sides and the back. This just looks so seamless, so easy. Now when you guys are ready to wear this up, you will have no issues and no problems with anything showing in the back. Right here, I'm just showing you guys how you can wear this hair. You can pull everything all to one side and wear it that way. You can also pull all the hair back and just wear the hair down, just like this. Cute, simple style as well. Or you can do this fun, cute little two ponytail style that I like, that I'm going to be wearing this hair in myself. And what I did was I took one strand of that twist and just wrapped it around the base of the ponytail just to keep this hair up. In this video, I was able to show you guys how to create your own crochet passion twist headband wig. Now this style is so quick and easy to complete. With a few items, all you have to do is get the passion twist hair of your choice. This one preferably was really nice to me, and I really love the color that I chose. And this hairstyle is such a quick and easy hairstyle that you can just grab and go, put it on your hair, slay your edges, and walk out the door. So cute, so quick, and easy to do. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below any questions that you may have, like this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye my beauties!